Myself Krishna, and I'm having more than 19 plus years of consulting experience, and as well as I delivered a lot of classroom and corporate trainings. And here we are going to learn supply chain management and procurement also. With the latest Redwood and artificial intelligence combined, I'm going to walk you through about this course team. Okay. So this is basically, this is about my company. And where we started, I would like to talk about the journey also. The company founded in 2012, back in 2012, TechLeads IT. And initially we started with Oracle EBS trainings. And later we expanded to Oracle Fusion from 2015 onwards. And later we have moved to other courses also like SAP and DevOps and Azure courses. And then we have expanded. Right now we are also delivering the PMP as well. PMP certification course also we are delivering. And then from 2012 onwards, we started IT staffing services for all the Oracle ERP and SAP consultants because I wanted to support my students who completed the training, because it's actually a three pillar. So training and then staffing and projects. So once the students are completed training, I would like to place them in some companies. Otherwise, I wanted to consume them in my projects. So with that vision, I have expanded my IT trainings to the IT consulting as well. By 2015, we're also handling a couple of projects from the Oracle ERP side. Okay, so this is about. We actually started this company with 2 people, and right now it is a 35 people company. Right now we are located in High-Tech City team. Okay, so that's about our journey. And as I said, I have more than 19 plus years of experience, and I delivered so far 8 plus implementations combining both Oracle EBS and Oracle Fusion. And in Oracle EBS, I delivered 53 plus batches, and in Fusion also I completed 70 plus batches. And whenever I have a free time, I used to take corporate trainings from Oracle University also. I delivered corporate trainings to Cognizant, Accenture recently from Oracle University. So totally around, I remember 20 corporate trainings I delivered from the Oracle University. Okay. So I believe, Fusion is the future. Definitely, because not only me, Oracle is also believing in the same way, because Oracle is investing a lot of money on the Oracle Fusion SaaS product. That's why you see a lot of enhancements and a lot of product capabilities has been increased. And it's also coming with the Redwood latest look and feel and artificial intelligence features. Okay. So my real name is actually Sudhir Vidyala, and I use Krishna as my pen name for my trainings. Krishna is nothing but my father name. So remembering my father, I use my name as a Krishna for my trainings, because I used to work for different companies. That's why I have to hide my real name, and I used Krishna as my pen name for the trainings. Okay, you can also call me as Krishna, because so this name has given me a lot of brand and reputation in the market. Okay, and this is our agenda. So since a lot of audience are there, I know there is a mixed crowd. There are freshers are there, and there are consultants who are working on Oracle ERP currently, or maybe other ERPs, maybe JD Edwards like that. And some consultants are who are already working on other IT skills, and they wanted to shift to Oracle ERP, because Oracle ERP is sustainable product in the market. That's the reason many consultants who are working on other technologies, they would like to shift to the Oracle ERP also. So by keeping all of you in my mind, I would like to start from the scratch. Okay, so I would like to start from the scratch means we need to respect the freshers as well, beginners as well, because they wanted to pursue their career on the Oracle ERP side. So with a good heart, we have to welcome them into the Oracle ERP market, because we also started our careers as a beginners and freshers. So that's the reason, seniors and experienced people kindly pay some patience here for another 5 to 10 minutes, because I'm going to explain from the Oracle ERP to the juniors to understand. Okay. So this is basically agenda. I don't want to waste much time on this agenda slide. I will go ahead with the concepts directly. So what is ERP? Okay, so I'm not asking for any definition like ERP stands for enterprise resource planning. It's not like that. Okay. So I wanted to make you understand what is the advantages and significance of having an ERP application in our business. We will discuss about that. Okay. So anyone wants to share what is actually ERP? Forget about Oracle, forget about IT. Okay. So I just wanted to talk about ERP. Okay. What is meant by enterprise resource planning? Not in terms of application wise, generically in the business wise, what is meant by ERP? Anyone would like to share your thoughts process or inputs around this? Because I want to make this session interactive session. It's not like only I'm talking and you are listening. Okay, I want you to openly come out and participate in this demo as an active listener or active learner. Right? Anyone wants to share your thought process behind this?
Integrating their businesses like finance, accounting, any other departments is there, all integrating into the ERP through.
Yeah, I appreciate your courage, Narendra. Thank you.
Yes.
How about others?
Yeah, Krishna. So Krishna this side. So basically ERP means like from the purchasing of goods to delivering of the goods and managing all the finances and activities involved in the purchasing and delivering of the goods is meant to be ERP.
Yeah. Thank you.
Basically, ERP is a suite of application which cover the entire operation of a particular business. Particular business means any business. So customer is free to subscribe the modules based on their requirement.
Okay.
Hello, sir. Myself, P.M. Mathishwaran.
Yeah.
I am a fresher. I am interested to study about things, sir, in SAP, SCM, sir. I am a fresher, not about ideas, sir. Sorry to tell, sir. I am interested to learn, sir.
Okay, okay, Matish. Okay, thank you.
Thanks, sir.
Okay. Okay, team. I will, take you to the ground level and I'll explain you what is ERP. Okay. So if you're learning any ERP application, you have to think like a business owner. You have to think like an entrepreneur. If you're having a business, okay, if you're running some operations, you have to wear a hat of an entrepreneur or you have to wear a hat of a businessman. Suppose let us take you have a small retail shop. What are the day-to-day transactions happens in your retail shop? What are the day-to-day business transactions happens in your retail shop?
Sales, purchase.
Okay.
Inventory
management. Sales, purchases. Okay. Inventory.
Procurement of raw material.
Okay. Procurement of stock. Okay.
billing, invoicing.
Okay.
Warehouse management.
Yeah, these are all the activities that we perform, right? If you're having a single shop, where you're gonna, capture all these transactions if you're having a single shop?
In books, sir.
In books. You maintain a book. Suppose if you're having 10 shops.
Invoice, sir. 10 shops. Invoice, sir. Invoice.
Okay, invoice also fine, Matish. Okay. So if you're having 10 shops, then
Excel, something like that.
Excel, okay. And if your business is more than that,
We can go for here.
then these are all the small ERPs available in the market. Small ERPs. Tally is also an ERP because in Tally you're maintaining your invoices, payment, all financial data you're maintaining, right? Infor is also an ERP. And Odoo is also an ERP. There is something called ERP Next. That is also an ERP. The purpose of all these ERP applications, it is used to manage all your company operations. It could be related to purchases or sales or inventory or finance or manufacturing and then HR. Suppose if you take HR, simple thing is HR. I'll take the HR as an example. So hiring the employees and capturing their leave information and promoting them or running the payroll. Okay. So they use ERP application for that. And for the, manufacturing also, how much we need to produce. So related to all these departments, okay, any day-to-day transactions happens in all these departments, we are going to maintain in a ERP application. So these are all small ERPs. So after Excel sheet, first we start with a book, later Excel file, or later you may start, implementing any of these small ERP applications, or maybe you may build your own software also to manage all the business day-to-day transactions. Okay, or else you can go with the Oracle ERP also. You can go with the Oracle ERP also. There is a myth in the market. After 100 crore turnover, after 200 crore turnover, you have to definitely go with Oracle ERP or SAP ERP. No, it's not like that. Whatever your business transactions, or whatever your business volume, or whatever your turnover, you can still continue to use the small ERPs also. There is no mandate or there is no force that you have to go with the SAP, or you have to go with Microsoft Dynamics, or you have to go with the Oracle ERP. There is no mandate like that. Okay, but we go with that big ERPs. Because of the majorly compliances and handling the large volume of the transactions. Okay, because if your business size is big, let us take Flipkart, let us take Amazon, let us take Airtel, and HDFC, HSBC, okay, and Uber, Ola, and Cultivate. So these are all using Oracle ERPs only, APS RTC, because their volume is more, their business scope is more. So based on your volume or business scope, okay, and scalability, we go with big ERPs in the market. So I heard from many of the consultants saying that after 100 crore turnover, you have to go with Oracle ERP. No, or you have to go with SAP. No, it's not like that. You can still continue to use. There are many customers who are using the small ERPs also in the market. Okay, but when coming to the Oracle ERP space, we have two ERP applications. One is Oracle Business Suite, and another one is Oracle Fusion application. Oracle e-Business Suite and Oracle Fusion application. Oracle e-Business Suite is available in the market from 1980s. And then Oracle Fusion also launched. This is also an ERP application, which is from 2010. So you can ask me a question, sir, why two ERP applications? Why two ERP applications from Oracle side itself? Why two ERP applications from Oracle side itself? It's because of this. It is because of this. Our Oracle company is already having Oracle EBS. This is one ERP. And it has acquired JD Edwards, PeopleSoft, and Siebel. These three ERPs also Oracle acquired. Oracle has purchased these three ERPs. Why Oracle has purchased these three ERPs? Because PeopleSoft is famous for HR. PeopleSoft is famous for HR. Siebel is famous for CRM. And JD Edwards is famous for procurement. And EBS is famous for financials. So different ERP applications are famous for different modules. That's why Oracle has acquired all these ERPs, and it has mixed all these ERPs, and it has built a new ERP application called Fusion. So which means it's a hybrid product. It's a mixture of, or it's a flavor of all these ERP applications. It's a hybrid product. So what is best here, and what is best here, and what is best here, what is best here? All this, it has been mixed, and Oracle has developed our Fusion ERP application. So that is the reason for launching another ERP application by Oracle. When the Fusion application is launched in the market, since 2010 it is available. Okay, the product is evolving a lot because Oracle is pushing all the customers currently who are using Oracle EBS. Oracle is pushing all the customers to migrate to Fusion application. So currently, who are the customers across the globe who are using Oracle EBS? Definitely tomorrow they have to migrate to Fusion application. That's for sure. That's a roadmap. Okay. Earlier Oracle said by 2030, but now Oracle is saying by 2035. But definitely, maybe not tomorrow or maybe not day after tomorrow. Definitely, all the customers who are using Oracle EBS, they have to migrate to the Fusion application. That's for sure. Okay. And since the Fusion ERP is a cloud-based application, it's a cloud-based application. It's a pure cloud. what is meant by cloud? Okay. So in case of on-premise, we are going to maintain our server. We are going to maintain our server within your company premises. You are going to purchase the hardware and you are going to install your application and you are going to maintain it. You are going to run that. Okay. But in case of cloud, we don't need to buy any hardware. We don't need to employ any people to maintain your server. So here, capital expenditure and operational expenditure is, capital expenditure is zero. When I say capital expenditure, buying in a hardware means you have to maintain server, means you need to buy the processor, all those equipment you need to buy. But capital expenditure is zero in case of cloud because you're not buying any hardware. Buying a hardware not only today, later you have to upgrade your hardware also. Let us take, you have purchased a laptop today. After 4 years, you need to upgrade your laptop, right? So similarly, in case of on-premise, not only investing one time, you have to continuously invest on your capital expenditure also, in your hardware also. But in case of cloud, it's zero. It's completely zero in case of cloud. Okay. If you don't mind, can you please shift this side? Can you please shift this side? Yeah, because I just wanted to see the PPT and I wanted to see the students who is sitting in front of me, because looking at the PPT and looking backwards you, it's a little bit difficult for me to manage. Yeah. Okay. If you're here so that I can look at PPT and I can look at your expressions also, because since you're in the classroom training, if I see your expressions so that you understood the concept confidently, I can proceed with the next topic. Because I need that expression, right? Then only I'll understand whether you understood the topic or not. Anyway, I cannot see their expressions. Hello team, are you there? Are you there?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I can't able to see
Yes,
your
sir.
expressions because you're all shy people. You're not turning on your videos. Hello. Can I see your faces? Huh? No? No, right? Not only, yeah, thanks. Some of you has turned on your video. Just say hi to the others.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, guys.
Hello.
So turn on your video and just say hi to everyone.
Hello, sir.
Hey, hey.
And
Hi.
my
Hi.
team.
Yeah,
Hi.
basically,
Hi everyone. Hello
I want
everyone.
to make
Hello.
this as a virtual classroom training rather than
Yes, sir.
online training or rather than classroom training. I would like to make it as a virtual classroom training. Okay, that's the reason I have this much setup. Otherwise, why, man? Why, team? This much setup is not required, right? But still, if you don't turn on your videos, it's become one-sided only because I can't see you completely. Okay, you're able to see us, right? You're able to see my gestures. Hmm? Yes,
Yes.
you're able to see me.
Yes.
So similarly, I wanted to see you also. Yeah, thank you. Many of you has turned on your video. Thank you so much, team. Yeah. Thanks for that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, where we are talking about, this cloud and on-premise, right? Okay. In case of cloud, capital expenditure is completely zero. Capital expenditure is completely zero in case of cloud. Why? Because are you buying any hardware? You're
No.
not buying any hardware. You're not buying any hardware. Okay. It's completely zero capital expenditure. What about operational expenditure? When I say operational expenditure, to manage your server, you need the DBS, database administrators, and you need system administrators. You need a network administrator to provide the security, right? So what about in case of cloud? No, that is also zero. Capital expenditure is zero and operational expenditure is also zero because you are not maintaining your server. Okay. I mean everything. So I don't think like I'm only talking about advantages, because every product is having advantages and disadvantages, merits and demerits. Okay. But when compared to on-premise, okay, many of the clients are now everything is cloud. Not only our Oracle ERP, majority of the applications are on cloud only. Everybody is trusting the cloud. Okay. Some people may say, what about my data safety and all? You know HSBC? HSBC is from which industry? Financial industry, right? HSBC. HSBC is from finance industry. Now they are using cloud application. Now they are using cloud application. So finance data is very important, critical. They are using cloud. Okay. So what I'm trying to say is our Fusion application is a cloud-based product so that our clients can avoid the capital expenditure. Our clients can avoid the operational expenditure also. It's easy to, plug and start your operations on the Fusion application. You just need to pay some subscription amount to Oracle, either 3-year subscription or 5-year subscription. You take the subscription from Oracle and you can, quickly start your operations on the Oracle Fusion ERP. In case of on-premise, it will take time because you have to, purchase the hardware, you have to employ the people, and then you need to, install the application. It takes time. But cloud, just you have money, just pay it to Oracle. Immediately, you can start your operations on the Fusion application. Okay. And these are the, the versions of the Fusion ERP. Okay. It started from this release. Okay. Right now, we are in the release 13. Right now, we are here. Release 13. What is meant by release 13? Oracle is, like our human generations. Oracle is also having generations. Okay. Not only Oracle ERP, you know about Oracle database, right? How many of you know Oracle database? How many of you know Oracle
Yes,
database?
Krishna.
Yes,
Krishna
Krishna.
this
Can
side.
you tell me Oracle database versions?
Actually, currently I'm working on the 19C Oracle database version.
Okay. You might have heard about 11C,
Yes, 11I, 11C. I've heard
11I,
about it.
and 12G.
Yes, 10G, 12G. Yes,
8I,
Krishna.
8I,
Yeah.
9I.
So if you take Oracle EBS, our Oracle EBS 11I, R12. Okay. So
Yes.
Oracle is also having generations, 11th generation, 12th generation, and slowly all the Oracle products are moving to the 13th generation. 13th generation. So our Fusion application is already in the 13th generation. That's why it's called as a release 13. That's why it's called as a release 13. So what is meant by this 25D? 25 is nothing but year. Currently we're in 2025. D is nothing but last quarter. So what is the next quarter version? 26A.
26.
26A. Because A, B, C, D is, that's what Oracle divided into 4 quarters, A, B, C, D. So next version is 26A.
Okay.
Okay. So every quarter, what I'm trying to say is every quarter, Oracle is evolving the application. Suppose example, we are all using mobile applications. We're all using mobile, I mean to say mobile phones. We're all using mobile phones, right? You're not using mobile phones?
Yes.
Yes, we are
Yes,
using.
we are using.
Yes.
We have Android version, so
More
same
than
here.
our kids are using. More than us, our kids are using our mobile application, our mobile. Okay. So what I'm trying to say, in our mobile also we get continuous updates. Okay. What is the purpose of that continuous updates in your mobiles? What is the purpose of that?
Look and feel.
To fix,
To
to fix
improve
the
the
bugs.
performance, look and fix the bugs, new
Correct.
new
Yes.
features
Yes.
should be added. Yeah.
Same here also, every quarter. Simple. Same here also every quarter. Every quarter, Fusion application is getting upgraded to the latest version to improve the performance, look and feel, and bringing the latest features into the application and fixing the existing bugs. Fixing the existing bugs in the application. Every quarter, our product is evolving. Every quarter. So imagine Oracle is investing or pushing, this product lot into the market. Okay. So what I'm trying to say is this is one of the sustainable product. If you can learn, in the next your life, I mean to say next 20 years or 30 years, you can able to happily, work on this technology without moving here and there. Suppose some consultants are already working on testing tools and because of the market, they are migrating to Oracle ERP. And here also one consultant is there who is working on ClickSense. One person is there who is working on currently ClickSense. Why he wants to learn Oracle ERP? Because there is no market in that technology. That's the reason he wants to learn Oracle ERP.
Yes.
Okay. So there is no need to shift between the technologies because shifting the technology is not like shifting the TV channel. because you have a lot of commitments also, right? Like, you're once you grown up, you have a lot of commitments, a lot of things you need to take care. Okay, it's not easy for you to shift between the technologies in the middle of the career. So this Oracle ERP application is one of the sophisticated and sustainable technology which you can rely in the next upcoming 30 years or next for your life. Okay, you can also ask me, sir, what about AI impact compared to other technology? Any technology, AI impact is there. Any technology, okay. But technology to technology, the impact measure is less. Some technologies 50% impact is there. Some technologies 100% impact is there. But here impact is there, but very, very less impact, because this is something that required human involvement. Because you have to talk to your client and you have to understand the client business, and according to the client business, you have to configure the application based on the client expectations. So here automation is little challenging here. I don't know, maybe in the future, I'm not really sure, but as per my current vision and assumption, so it is not that easy, because human should be in the loop. So to work on this skill, human should be in the loop. So as per me, AI impact is also less, as per me, compared to other technologies. Okay. That what I'm trying to say is you can count on this Oracle ERP technology. And when we are talking about cloud, we should know this terminology. What is SaaS and PaaS and IaaS? We have to know this terminology. Okay. We are going to become the SaaS consultants. The first one, the green color one. We are going to become the SaaS consultants. Okay. So what is SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS? IaaS is nothing but it's completely server. It is completely server. Okay. In our Fusion application, you don't work with IaaS consultants, because in your project, you will not see IaaS consultants. You will not see DBS, because we are not managing our server. Who is managing our server? Oracle. Oracle is managing our server. We are not managing our server. Okay. And what about PaaS? The PaaS is nothing but these are the technical people, developers. They develop the reports based on the client requirement. I want last quarter sales report. I want last quarter sales report. I want, last quarter, I have launched a new product. I wanted to measure last quarter how much discounts we have provided. And because of that discount, how much the turnover has been increased. I want that sort of reports. So these people are going to build those reports. Not only building those reports, these people are going to perform the integrations also. Nothing but in our office, in our company, not only Oracle ERP is one of the IT tool, is one of the IT application. Like that, there could be many IT applications are there. Each application has to interact with each other. Suppose if you take example, Cultivate. You know Cultivate in India, right? You know Cultivate in India, huh?
Yes.
They're using Oracle
Yes.
Fusion. They're using Oracle Fusion. So they're getting the orders from their website and mobile app. That information, it goes to Oracle Fusion. So similarly, APSRTC, Andhra Pradesh Road Transportation, APSRTC. APSRTC is also using Oracle EBS. So the information from the website, once you take any order, it goes to the Oracle ERP. So that connections these people are going to establish. So they develop the reports and they develop the integrations. Okay. At a high level, I'm talking about the role of these people. Okay. They're also going to do a lot of other activities also. Okay. I'm not discriminating here. All technical consultants, respecting you. I'm just at a high level, explaining just 2 to 3 activities what you are going to do. Okay. But we are going to become the SaaS consultants here. Okay. So SaaS consultancy is nothing but already the product is available. Our Fusion application is already available. Okay. So we are going to configure the application, nothing but we perform the setups based on the client requirement. Suppose example, simple example, very, very basic, simple example, I'll tell you. Suppose if I ask you to create a Facebook business profile, if I ask you to create a Facebook business profile, you need any training?
No.
Facebook business profile, not,
No, sir.
not personal profile, business profile. Not personal profile. Personal profile you can create, but business profile, you need just basic minimum training, because you need to know, what are all the details has to be entered in which fields. So similarly, our Oracle ERP application also, it's already developed product. So what you have to do is you have to put the client data, client things in this application. You need to know in this application how to put the data. Okay, we call it as a SaaS consultants. Okay, let me explain you, with one example. I will explain you with one example. Okay, I stopped my screen share. I stopped my screen share. Okay, I'll open the screen once again. And with this explanation, you'll also get look and feel of the Fusion application. I'm sharing my screen, team. You're able to see the application, right? This is a Fusion application. Okay,
Yes.
I can show you from the starting. I can show you from the login page. This is a login page. To access this application, you need not to install anything. Okay, not even plugin also. Like to open Facebook application, do you require to install anything? Not. You can access this application from your mobile, from your laptop, okay, from your tab also. Okay, from any device you can access this application. You just need to have username and password and just click on the sign. Just click on the sign in. So this is the landing page. This is the landing page. Okay, I'll tell you simple example here. Simple example I'll tell you. Okay. You wanted to create users in this application for the client. You want to create users in this application for the client. So username pattern, here you can see the username pattern, right? Right? So what is the username pattern here?
First name, last name.
First name come,
First
dot
name,
last
last
name.
name.
Yeah.
And what are all the other options are there?
Email,
Last name.
Okay, and
person, party number.
so totally 4 options are there. So you have to configure this application according to the client requirement. Okay, according to the client requirement means totally Oracle provided 4 options. You have to tell your customer, hey, 4 options are available. Which one you want to go? You want to configure email ID as a login name. You are not going to build the application. You are not going to build the application. You are going to learn this application features and functionalities and capabilities based on the client requirement. Based on the client requirement, you are going to configure this application. And also you have to educate the client. Totally 4 options are there. Which option you want? And accordingly, we need to configure here. Suppose if you configure here, the client employee's email ID is going to become the login name, right? Okay. So what I'm saying is it's a SaaS product. We are not building any product. You are not going to build any product. It's a already developed product. So we have to learn this product and these options, these features and these functionalities. And based on the client requirement, we have to configure this product.
Yeah, Krishna. So can we add new rule to the user ID, username, anything like that?
what Oracle provides is 4 options. Okay. If you want anything extra, then it's going to be a customization. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. So if we start discussing on the topic, it will take another 20 minutes. Okay. And so here, coming to approvals. Suppose if you are purchasing something, you need approval. You cannot simply purchase, right? You need your manager approval, or after certain limit, your company director has to approve, or your company CEO has to approve. That you have to configure here. Below $100, who has to approve? Above $100 to $500, who has to approve? More than $500, who has to approve? Who is going to give you the data? Your client. From your client, you have to gather the data and you have to configure the rules in the application. Below 100, who is going to approve? $100 to $500, who is going to approve? Above $500, who is going to approve? You have to configure in this application. What I'm trying to say is, again, I'm repeating, we are not here to develop any application. We are not here to develop any application. No coding is involved. To become a SaaS consultant, okay, no coding is involved. Here in the PaaS area, you should have coding. Here in the PaaS area. But SaaS consultant, all the SaaS product is available. That SaaS product functionalities we are going to learn, and we are going to configure the application based on the client requirement.
Yeah, Krishna.
Okay.
So basically, to develop a BI report, do we need this platform PaaS, or it is included in SaaS?
It is included in the SaaS only, but the activity is performed by the PaaS consultant. The task is performed by the PaaS consultant. Okay. With the SaaS, you are able to develop the reports. Okay. But the work is done by the PaaS consultant. Okay.
So for the PaaS consultant, I need to like register for the another course, like for the technical, as a technical, right?
Correct. Yeah. For that, you need to have SQL.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So if you want to learn both, then you'll become a techno-functional consultant. But it's up to you. If you want to become a techno-functional, or you want to become only technical, or you want to become only functional, it's up to you. Okay. But I'm a functional consultant. I'm a SaaS consultant. I'm a pure SaaS consultant. Okay.
Okay. So you are going for the SaaS only. We are actually not PaaS.
Yes, not PaaS.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So these are the offerings that are available in Fusion. So in Fusion, you can implement HR module. In Fusion, you can implement financial module. Okay. You can implement supply chain and procurement. These green colors. Okay. In our course, I'm going to cover these 2 green colors: supply chain management and then procurement. These 2. These 2 modules I'm going to cover. So if I break down these 2, totally how many modules I'm covering? 14 modules. This is the list. Okay. Inventory, product management, order management, GOP, orchestration, pricing, costing, and procurement. Under procurement, so purchasing, responsive, self-service procurement. All these modules I'm going to cover as part of this course.
Oracle Warehouse Management is a different one, or is it included?
It's a different one. It's a different. Okay. In fact, I don't know WMS. I have not worked on the WMS.
Yeah, procure to pay is also coming under this topic, sir.
Yes, correct. Yeah. So here it is, you see. So topic wise, these are all actually modules.
Okay.
These are the modules, and these are the important topics. I just kept only important topics here. Okay. Order to cash cycle, return sales order, dropship cycle, back-to-back cycle, transfer order, approvals, sales order approvals, auto cash cycle, P2P cycle, along with the accounting entries. These are the important topics under these modules. Out of all these modules, these are the important topics I have highlighted here. Okay. And apart from that, these are also important topics. Approvals. In case of approvals, all the 5 types of hierarchies I'm going to cover. And the period close process, how to close the periods in Fusion, what are the seeded reports available in Fusion, and what are the tables available in Fusion. So only important topics I have kept here in these 2 slides. If you want a detailed brochure, please scan this QR code. Please scan this QR code if you want detailed brochure. So please go through that. We have already emailed you the brochure. We have already emailed you. Okay. In case if you have not seen that information, please scan this QR code to download the detailed brochure. Can you please try to download the brochure? It is downloaded.
Yeah, it's downloaded.
Okay, thanks for the confirmation. Okay. So apart from these topics, there are a couple of other important topics also I have mentioned here. Couple of other important topics also. So these techniques are used for the data migration. And this technique is used to migrate the data from one instance to another instance, from the test instance to dev instance, or from the dev instance or test instance to production instance. So this feature is used to copy the data from one instance to another instance, from one environment to another environment, import and export. Okay, so these are the topics that I'm going to cover. And this is what our current look and feel, classic pages. Okay, and this is the next generation, Redwood pages. Next generation pages. So here you see the same screen. You see it is in mobile and it is in tablet and it is in laptop. So the reason for migrating Oracle from classic pages to Redwood pages because of the compatibility, because this is a browser-based application. You can open this application from any browser. It could be Safari, or it could be Firefox, or it could be Chrome or Microsoft Edge, and you can open from any device also. So the responsiveness and compatibility in the current classic pages, the responsiveness and compatibility and reactiveness is not good. That's why Oracle is migrating to this Redwood screen. So out of all the pages, currently out of all the pages, 30% of the pages are migrated to Redwood. 30% of the pages already migrated to Redwood. Okay, so I'm going to teach you wherever the classic page is there, I'm going to teach you classic pages, and wherever Redwood page is available, we will discuss the Redwood pages also in the classes. Okay, and because of these Redwood pages, some of the artificial intelligence functionality is also available on these Redwood pages. That also we'll discuss in the classes. Okay, and this is the implementation methodology. Okay, not only learning the application, we need to learn how to execute the project also, how the project is executed. What is the process of executing a project? So for that, Oracle has provided a methodology. We follow that methodology. Okay, and we follow that methodology. I'm going to cover that methodology. I will also provide you the documentation also. What are the documents that we create in real time? I have the templates. Those templates I will give it to you. So we'll discuss about OEM methodology, nothing but project execution approach, and we'll discuss about the real-time documents that we prepare. Not only understanding the application capability, we need to know the process of executing a project, and we need to know the documentation also, how to prepare the documentation. So which means one end-to-end implementation project is covered in this training. One end-to-end implementation project is covered in this training, which means, okay. So, but I sincerely request you should also practice. If you want to learn any skill, you should also do the practice. Without your practice, you cannot able to learn that skill. Without your practice, you are not able to learn that skill. Okay. So this is about the placement program thing. So as I mentioned, I'm focusing on, we are already into IT consulting also because we need talent. We need merit students. Okay. We are going to evaluate your attendance and I will give you the daily assignments. I will track your assignments and then later we conduct the mock-up interviews. And based on your knowledge, I will help you with the resume preparation. Because here I will assess your knowledge, how much knowledge you have grabbed out of this training. And accordingly, I'm going to help you with the resume preparation. So some of you may want to add 4 projects in your resume, 5 projects in your resume. It totally depends upon after the step number 3. Because after step number 3, I will assess your knowledge and I will suggest you, don't put 5 projects, just put only 2 projects because your knowledge is that much okay. I'm going to assess your knowledge here. Suppose you want to put 2 projects. I will suggest you to put 5 projects also. Because if I think you're good at the subject, I will suggest you to put the 5 projects also in your resume. So this 4th step, it's completely depend upon the 3rd step. Okay. And finally, the placement program. We have a dedicated placement officer. We have a dedicated placement officer who is helping you to get the jobs, because there are a lot of companies looking for the consultants, but again, they're looking for the talent, not for the people. They're looking for the talented people. There are many people who got trained and who are looking for the jobs. Many people are there, but company is expecting a talent. Okay. When the talent is going to meet, okay, that bridge is going to be established by our placement officer. Okay. So once you're done with the resume preparation part, we'll help you with the placement support. Again, if you're not able to clear mock-up interviews, don't ask for placement. Don't ask for placement, because I cannot able to sell your profile to my clients, because you should have a knowledge. Imagine you are having a company, you want a talented people or you want normal people. Huh? Imagine you are running a company. You just simply give the jobs like that, or you want to take a talent.
No,
Talented people. Huh?
you want to take the talented people.
Talented people only, right? Then every company is also looking for talented people only. So if you're able to pass through these stages, then ask for the placement. Then we can align you with the placement officer. The placement officer is going to work with you. The placement officer is going to pass you the requirements. And in some cases, I will also give my reference. If the candidate is really good, we'll try to help you the candidate at whatever level we can. I will give you the references also. Okay, that's about the placement program team. It could be you're a fresher or you are an experienced guy. It does not matter. It does not matter for us. You are working on some other technology. You are actually transforming your profile to Oracle ERP. That is also not matter for us. We are here to support all of you. But again, it's totally depend upon your merit only. If I'm doing my job perfectly, I'm here to give you a lot of knowledge, and I'm here to train you. But if you don't practice, then no use. Okay.
Krishna.
Yeah.
During the training, do we also get the experience to manage and create the deliverable documents which we need to provide it to the client, like BF15, 16, and something?
This is here, sir. You see, this is the slide.
Yeah.
I will give you those templates also. The templates which I prepared in my projects, I will give you those templates. That's what I covered in this slide. The documentation that we prepare in our projects, those templates I already have. I will give you those templates.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
And this is about lab, because we're all spread across different places in the globe. We are from Hyderabad, India, and some of you are from US. And any other state, any other country people are attending here apart from India and US?
I am from Saudi Arabia.
Yeah, he's from Middle East, Saudi Arabia. Anyone else?
Sir, I'm from Melbourne, Australia.
Yeah, this guy is from Australia.
From Egypt.
Egypt, excellent. Happy to hear, because my company is growing, expanding across the globe. We have people from Pakistan, Poland also. Okay, almost we are getting the students from almost 10 countries, almost. Okay, so it's not possible for us to when you're practicing, you may get some issues. Okay, so you need some help. Okay, we have a dedicated lab assistant also. Okay, and we have a WhatsApp group also, and you can post your questions in that WhatsApp group, and our person is going to help you to rectify or resolve your practice issues. And daily, apart from the regular classes, we'll have a separate Q&A session also. Okay, my lab coordinator is going to open this same meeting. Okay, in case if you are having any issues when you're practicing, you can simply join in that dedicated time and clarify your doubts, because we are all remotely working from different locations. Okay, that's why your time zone is different, and your practice time is also different. Wherever you're having an issue, you can actually put that in the group, and this guy will help you. And we have a dedicated doubts clarification time also. Okay, so just make sure if you're having any question, just connect to that time and then get clarified from this person.
Krishna, what about the on-site? Like if somebody want to visit your office or your premises to get this training done, then what is the provision you have for them?
See, this lady is here, right?
Yeah.
If she wants to learn from here, she's coming here.
Yeah. So how much time it required for us to spend in the office, or as much as like we want to spend time, we can stay there and learn things, or you have a spirited time like that?
Yeah, we have because we cannot able to accommodate the crowd. Okay, that's why 2 hours you can stay in the office and you can complete your practice.
Any 2 hours, or during your training
Morning
session
only. Morning
Okay.
till 11 o'clock. Till 11
Okay.
o'clock morning. Yeah. Okay. You can come to the office and you can attend the training, and after the training you can do your practice, and if you get any questions, get clarified from us and you can leave. Okay.
Yeah.
That's
Thank
how it is. Yeah. Okay. Clear with this program? Dedicated placement officer and dedicated lab assistant. Okay.
Excuse me, on the placement, how many so far the people got recruited from your training institute? Do you have any track record for them?
Yeah, there are many, sir, because I have the slide also. I've kept only few people here. You see few people only I kept here, but there are many students are there. I can't able to show their faces here because the reason is they're putting 4 years experience and they're getting the jobs. If I showcase their names here, their jobs are going to be on risk.
That's great.
That's why I'm not showcasing these details, because many people, after completion of my training, if you practice really well, you can put 6 years experience. You can put minimum 6 years experience. And 8 years experience.
How can we provide that the projects we done? Like we cannot put the dummy projects in 6 years. We need to show some projects we done, right?
This is where I'll help you, right?
Okay.
What is this step? Resume counseling.
Yeah.
So I'm going to assess your knowledge here. Whether
Yeah.
you are a 3+ guy, 4+ guy, or a fresher, I'll come to know in the step number 3. Accordingly, I'll help you with the step number 4.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Yeah.
Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
I
And
just
this is
want
about.
yeah,
I'll
this
take,
is a
if
mock
you don't mind.
interview.
If you don't
Sorry.
mind, can you please note down your question, and then I'll just finish it, and at the end we'll have a Q&A.
Sure, no problem.
If you don't mind. Okay. At the end we'll have I have a slot for Q&A also here. Okay. Let me come to this place, and I'll finish from my side. Okay, team. In case if you think you're gonna miss the questions, please note it down in a notepad or in a book. Okay. So totally I need 8 hours time. 80 hours of time I need to complete this course, and timing is same timing. You all connected at 8 o'clock, right? Same timing only, but I'm going to finish the session by 9 o'clock, 8 to 9, 1 hour session daily, and Monday to Saturday. Monday to Saturday, we'll give you the application access for the practice. And, these are all I covered already. Okay. WhatsApp group. And then, I'll provide you the material also. Here you see. Are you able to see me, team? Are you able to see me? This book?
Yeah.
Yes,
You're
sir.
able to see me?
Yes.
Like this, we have books. We will provide you the books. Okay. In case if you are coming to our office, we'll give you this hard copy. If you are from other places, we will give you the soft copy. You have to take a printout of these books. You have to take a printout of these books. Okay. So we have books for the material, and we have books for the interview questions, and separate real-time scenarios also, because the other guy was asking me, Syed, okay, can we able to handle 6+ years? If you're able to, go through these 3 things, nothing but the subject and then interview preparation and real-time use cases. If you practice the real-time use cases which I have provided, you are able to handle 6+ or 8+ role also. It totally depends upon your time and your dedication. Totally depends upon that. Okay. And it's the same meeting ID, team. Same meeting ID. It's the same meeting ID. But what is the class time? What is the class time, everyone?
8 to 9.
8 to 9.
8 to 9.
8 to 9 a.m. IST. Okay.
8 to 9.
And we have the mobile app also. Okay. In case If you're not able to attend the live class, need not to worry. You can catch up the recordings. Every live session recorded and uploaded to our mobile app within 2 hours. We have both. We have both Android app and we have iOS app also. You can catch up the recordings, daily recordings from the mobile app. Okay. We have a learning portal also, LMS portal, like Udemy. We have a learning portal. You can log into our LMS portal and you can click on your course and you can catch up the recordings. All these recordings are HD recordings. And you can control the speed also from here. You can control the speed, you can enable the subtitles, and all the modules are uploaded here by module wise. You see here, right? Inventory, procurement, auto management, module wise, date wise, in an organized order. Okay. And you have a lab also here. We will also provide you material access and application access from the same learning portal itself. This setup in Oracle ERP industry, this much setup is not available in any company. Any training institute is not providing this much setup. We have an in-house, this is in-house built learning management application, and we have a mobile app also. I think Oracle is also not having mobile app, if I'm correct. Oracle is also not giving the mobile app, huh? Oracle University.
Right, yeah.
Oracle University is also not giving it. Okay. So we have the mobile app, we have the learning portal. Okay. So in case if you're not able to if you miss the live classes, need not to worry. But I encourage you to connect to the live classes regularly. Okay. So that you should have that focus and that commitment and that momentum you should carry. Okay. So please connect to the live classes. For any unavoidable reasons, if you're not able to connect to the live classes, please catch up the recordings from this portal. So once you completed the course, okay, you will get the course completion certificate. This certificate you can download from the learning portal itself. So later my team is going to guide you how to download the certificate from the learning portal. That means everything is managed here. Okay, you can catch up the recordings from here. You can catch up the material from here. You can catch up the application from here. Okay, and we have a support ticket functionality also. In case if you're facing any issues, you can create a ticket from there. So end-to-end workflow we have built. Okay. And as I said, this is the course completion certificate. And these are the other courses that we are offering, team. Okay, we are offering not only supply chain training, we are offering human capital management and financials and technical and SAP courses also there, and manufacturing course is there. WMS training is there. Okay, as I said, we are also offering PMP course also. Okay, but the approach that I follow, the methodology that I follow, before I put any faculty into any training, I'm going to evaluate the faculty knowledge. I'll conduct the mock-up interview, okay? And also I'll assess their explanation skills also, because you may be good at subject, but you should be good at sharing your knowledge also. That expression required from a trainer, from a faculty, okay? I will see all those things, and then only I'm going to employ a faculty to deliver the courses from the tech lead side, okay? We are all real-time working professionals only. We are all sharing our real-time knowledge to all of you. We are not sharing any bookish knowledge here. Our practical knowledge, our real-time knowledge is shared in this trainings. Okay, so you can take any technology training which we are delivering. So our faculties, our trainers are having minimum 15 plus years of industry experience. Minimum 15 plus. If you want, we can share their LinkedIn profiles also offline, because there are real-time professionals, right? They can't able to show their face directly over here because it may impact their jobs. Okay. So just to tell you the experience and trust that we are carrying, if you want, we can give you their offline LinkedIn profiles also of the trainers. We're all real-time working professionals only. Okay. So this is what
Krishna, I have one doubt here, Shyam.
I'll take questions, sir. I'm almost done. I'll take questions. I'm almost done. Okay.
Hello.
I'll take your questions. I'm almost done. Okay. Just give me another 5 minutes. Okay?
Okay.
Please. Okay. So this is what it is. These are all the reviews are genuine reviews only. We are in the market from 2012 and we have only 1,000 reviews, means please understand these are genuine. Genuine reviews after completion of the training. We'll take the feedback from the students and this is what is here. You can check out that as well. Okay. And this is what like you once the students completed the training. Okay. So right now I'm running, your batch number is going to be 72. Right now, 71 batch is also running. So these are all the reviews from the other batch students, the students who completed the training, the supply chain training from me. And these are the success stories. I just kept only few. There are many. There are many success stories are there who actually transformed their careers from fresher, or maybe you're working on any other ERP application from the domain side. Maybe you're working in warehouse. Maybe you're working in a manufacturing department. Okay. So all those consultants has transformed their careers to Oracle ERP with the help of us. Okay. You can also be part of this slide later. Okay. This is what it is. As I mentioned, we are, all our trainers are experienced trainers, and we have LMS and mobile app, and we have a global reach, and we have a dedicated placement program, and we'll help you with the interview preparation and resume preparation. Okay. Of course, everybody does this. Okay. But we does in a proper way. Okay. The difference between them and us is what we promise, that what we deliver. That's what it is. So these are the current companies. In case if you want, you can check with them also. TechLead site is already partnered with these companies. If any one of you are working in this company, or if you want, you can check. So we have already, we delivered a couple of corporate trainings to these companies also. Okay. So currently we are delivering corporate trainings to this company. Okay. And we delivered corporate trainings to this company also, and this company also, and this company also, this company also. And not only corporate trainings, these are our partners in IT consulting also. Okay. We are working on a couple of projects with them, and we are also working on a couple of requirements to fulfill these companies. Okay. So this is my team. This is actually my team. So you're only seeing me, but these are all the people behind the scenes who is actually helping us. Can you please call our team one by one? So these are all the team who is helping us. Not only me. Okay. A lot of people are there from TechLead Society. These people are all working for us only. Okay. So we have in-house web development team and digital marketing team, sales team, support team, finance team. Okay. And operations manager is there. So yeah, let me introduce my team. Do you see here team?
No, I'm not able to see.
Do you see my team here? They're all here.
Yes. Yes,
Yeah,
boss.
now. Yes.
Okay, few of them are on leave, and Saturday also, right? Week off. Okay. So this is the team, okay, who is working for us. Web development team is there, and digital marketing team is there, and operations manager is there, and you might have heard her name Padma. Okay, so she's one of the director in this company. Okay, and Ravi Kishore is the operations manager, and Sai Satish is a UI developer, and Pratap is SEO lead here. And these two people are working for the SEO only, Sudhir and Sudeep. Where is Shantanu? And they're on the way. Okay. So it's too early, right? So these people start coming to the office after 9:30. It is 9:20 only. Okay. So this is the entire team who is helping us in getting all these things done. Okay. I would like to thank my team taking this as an opportunity, each and every one of us, because these people are working really hard to bring TechLead Society to this stage. Because we started our company in Hyderabad, but we are getting the students from many places. Means it's all the hard work from all these people. Okay, thanks team, thanks all of you, and you can. So this is our office location in Hyderabad team. Okay. We are placed out of high-tech city. Of course, we have a branch in SR Nagar also, but that is where we started. Okay, that is where our roots are. We started from SR Nagar branch, and now we're in high-tech city. So our company is growing, and we're also growing, and we also took a premium office space in high-tech city. Okay, and that's all from my side. And an announcement. If you wanted to enroll for this course. If you want to enroll for this course, okay, today we are running an offer. Okay, you will get 1 year membership normally and 5 months application access. But if you enroll today, you will get 2-year membership. So what is meant by 2 years membership? Within 2 years, you can attend any batch and you will get access to the learning portal and mobile app also within 2 years. And suppose you finish a batch today, after 1 year, you wanted to access the latest batch videos. You can just simply create a ticket to us and we will assign you the latest batch recordings to your access, to your login also from the learning portal. Okay. And apart from 5 months, okay, you'll get 8 months application access also, 8 months. 8 months application access, okay. This is the code that you can apply. This is the code you can apply and this is the payment link. You can scan this payment link and you can apply this code to get all these offers. If you don't apply this code, you'll not get this offer, team. Okay, only you will get this offer. Make sure when you scan this link, you apply this code. If you apply this code, you can double your facilities. Your privileges you can double from 1 year to 2 years access, from 5 months to 8 months application access. Okay. Please scan this link and apply this code to make the payment. Okay. So I'm not asking you to in a rush to make the payment. Just verify our course curriculum. Just verify the course curriculum because you downloaded the course curriculum, right? Verify that course curriculum. If you want, you can check out the Google reviews also and then take your decision. Okay. This is valid. This offer is valid for today. Okay. So you can take a picture of this scanner. You can take a picture of the scanner and later if you want to make the payment by taking your decision by today. But again, don't tell me tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Offer is valid only for today only. So this code is going to be automatically expired. It will not work tomorrow. It will not work tomorrow, this code. Okay, take your decision today and complete your registration for the course. Okay, so I'm here to clarify your questions. Okay, if you're done with the payment part, you can send a screenshot to our team. Our team will help you with the onboarding process to get you the learning portal access, mobile app access, and our these books also. This soft copy also you will get from them. Okay. So that's all from my side. And same meeting ID from tomorrow onwards, not tomorrow, from Monday onwards, I'm resuming the classes. Same meeting ID. And I actually, heartily welcome you to attend the classroom training also, because you see a beautiful classroom we have here, right? You can attend from here, the classroom, utilize the facilities that we are providing. Okay. How is our office, madam? So you can also come to the classroom happily. Okay. So, I'll take your questions from now onwards. Next, it could be 1 hour or 2 hours. I'll stay back to clarify your doubts. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, hi Krishna. Here Shyam.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, if I learn the SCM on in which are the field I can get the job. I can get the job, but specifically procure to pay or order management like that, or only we have to want only SCM consultant like that.
I'm covering both supply chain and procurement. Okay, so
Okay.
you can try as a procurement consultant. You can try as a order management consultant. Okay.
Oh,
you can try as
okay.
both. Both I'm covering. Okay. In both the sides, from simple to complex. I don't start with complex. I start with simple and I go in depth. Okay.
Yeah, because some of the companies are hiring only procure to pay consultant like that. So only
some companies are also hiring for order management consultants also, right? Suppose if you know both, then you're eligible for both the companies. So you're creating more demand for your profile in the market if you know everything. If you're limiting yourself to procurement, only you are able to apply for the procurement jobs only. And once the procurement project is completed, then you'll come to the bench. So if you know both, then you can work on the order management project, you can work on the procurement project, and your profile weightage is also more. You can also ask for more package also.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Basically, I am working as an Oracle Fusion Cloud as an supplier creation. So in that, which I have to prefer for for move on the
So
upgrade?
go with complete course. Go with the complete
Oh,
course.
okay.
Learn everything. Okay. I think you have
Yeah.
spoken to Ravi. Ravi has
Yeah.
already
Yeah.
told you about your profile. You will get the data, and every day you are creating the suppliers. It seems to be
Yeah.
right.
Yeah.
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 Ravi
Yeah.
has actually spoke about you on the other day. So
Yeah.
I
Okay.
recommend you to don't limit yourself. Learn the entire course. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Sure. Sure.
Yeah, Krishna, this is
Okay.
Sayed. This is Sayed. I am interested in learning like Oracle process manufacturing. I worked on process manufacturing in my experience. So
Okay.
do I need to go through the SCM because it has a link to it, like product development and all that, or
Correct.
you will cover the whatever the needed information in like process manufacturing session, and in
Process
manufacturing.
manufacturing, I'm not covering. Okay. Process
you
manufacturing is a separate course. Okay.
but your company is offering it, right?
Yeah, we are offering that. Yes.
So do I
Right now,
need to go through? Do I need to enroll in this course, then switch to process manufacturing,
not
or
required. You can not required. You can directly learn that course.
directly I can go through that?
Correct. Yes.
Okay. Do we get a chance to go through the demo classes? This is the interaction classes, but we wanted to know how you lead the training session. Then only if we can pay the amount, like other training schools offering this.
Currently, the batch is going on. We started that batch 30 days back. Okay, it's in the middle, and next batch we are planning after January. After January, after Sankranti.
Okay.
I mean, at end of the January, next batch is going to start. It will start same like this only. Okay, we'll conduct a demo, and after the demo, you can take your call to enroll for this course. Same like this only.
No. What I mean to say, this is just the induction or introduction or something kind of session. I wanted to know how you lead the training, like how you lead the training at the first day of our training. Then, if we are compatible with your explanation and if we are grasping what you are talking, then if we can able to pay, that could be more easier for us to decide.
That's what I'm saying. Okay, so you can drop a message to my team.
Yeah.
Okay, they will share you the process manufacturing couple of demo videos. You can go
Okay.
through that. But actual real batch, the real training, it will start later because right now one batch is already happening. It will take December to complete that batch, and after completion of that batch, we are planning for another batch after the holidays because December ending Christmas holidays are there. January mid the Sankranti holidays are there. After that, we are going to start one more live training. Okay, you can drop a message to my team. My team will send you the process manufacturing couple of sample demo classes to you.
Okay. One more thing, like if we enroll today, so since you said that you have already started a course few weeks
If you don't
back.
mind, okay, regarding process manufacturing,
No, not process manufacturing. I'm talking about SCM training. So are you going to conduct the new training session, or are we going through the old training videos what you have already taken?
No, it's live training, sir. It's live training. I'm here. You see me, right?
Yeah.
I'm a human only. Okay. It's a live training. It's a live training. Okay.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
I'm not going to give you any recorded classes.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So Krishna, you mentioned like 25 days the latest version. So this is the version you will be.
Yes,
I mean,
sir. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. We are gonna see automatically our application is on the latest version only. We are all gonna learn the latest application only, sir, not the old application. Good question. By the way.
Thank you.
And again, team, don't panic by looking at this crowd. Okay, since it is a free class. Okay, a lot of people are there here, but on an average, in a batch, 40 to 50 people are there. Okay, I have focus on top of everybody. If you want, I can show you a couple of emails also. Okay, I stopped my screen share. Okay.
Yeah, hi Krishna.
I'm gonna share my screen. Okay, kindly wait. I'm sharing my screen once again. Can you see my screen?
Yes, Krishna.
So each student has to practice, and after completion of the practice, they has to send me the practice update like this every day. Every day they has to practice, and they has to send me the practice status like this. So I'll be focusing on all of you because if I just don't explain you the things, it's not going to be work out. You have to put your hands on. Okay, you have to make your hands dirty. Then only you are going to learn this application. Okay. So I'll be focusing on all of you, okay, whether you're practicing or not. Okay, I'll be focused. These students are from the 71st batch. Okay, got it?
Yeah.
Shram, my question, the duration of the course is for 3 months. Suppose the student would like to finish within 1 month or 2 months. Do you have any mechanism?
You have to attend the couple of batches, sir. Parallel, you have to attend a couple of batches.
So all the batches are, okay, all batches are running the same day, the same time or different time?
7 to 8, sir. Morning 7 to 8. Okay. You can attend batches parallelly, and you can also take the recordings from the previous batch that I completed. Okay. So suppose example, you are learning procurement in the live class. Auto management you can practice on your own by attending one more batch or parallel batch, or by watching the videos.
Okay. Okay. Seems good.
Hi, Krishna. Good
Yes,
morning.
sir. Yeah, Naresh.
Yeah, I'm Naresh. I am working from last 3 years, end user, invoice processing.
Okay.
Which course is suitable for me? I am using Oracle also. I'm working only front-end work, invoice processing.
Invoice and what else?
Invoice processing only.
Your academics, sir. Your academics. May I know your academics?
Yeah, BCom computers.
BCom. Then learn Oracle Financials.
Oracle Financials.
Oracle
Okay.
Financials. Yeah. Those who are from the commerce background, finance background. So financials is advisable for them, because your academics is from the finance only, and your current working profile is also from the financials only, right? So you can learn financials. Yeah. We're also offering the financial course. Okay. You can talk to my team. They will help you with the financials course.
Yeah, sure. Which one I should contact?
This okay. This is the number, or you can scan this automatically. It will take you to the WhatsApp. This is the number. Or you can drop an email.
We can join class daily to
Yes.
our
Yes.
institute only. Yeah, I am also in Hyderabad.
Yeah. Yeah, for financials, you can talk to my team. Okay, they will help you with the details.
Yeah, sure.
Any supply chain course, please ask those questions to me. Okay. Other courses, if you want, you can please contact my team on this number.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, okay, Krishna. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, this is Prajakta. I'm from Pune.
Hello, Prajakta.
So I'm a QAD techno-functional consultant.
Okay.
But I want to switch the ERP that I work in.
Okay.
Because there are very less opportunities in QAD.
Okay.
So what would you suggest? Which course I should go to?
You can learn supply chain management.
Okay.
Because the reason for telling supply chain management, because here demand is more for supply chain. Okay. And resources are less in the market. So supply is less. That's the reason demand is more. Okay. That's why my recommendation for you is supply chain.
Okay. Thank you.
If you want, you can also search in the job portals just to understand how much demand is there in the market. But again, the demand is for the talented people, not for the normal people. Okay.
Okay. And what is the fees?
You can, if you can, scan this, you'll automatically get the payment information.
Sure. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Myself, Manohar.
Hello.
Matish, I'll take your question at the end. Okay. I'll take
Hello,
your question
sir.
at the end. Matish,
Hello,
I'll talk to you
sir.
at the end. I'll talk to you at the end, Matish. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Dheeraj, you have anything to ask?
Yeah. So I was asking about the mock interview. So my question is, who is going to conduct that mock interview, and are you who is going to take that?
It will be two, sir. Okay. The first one is conducted by my colleague Ravi, and or else we have a dedicated lab assistant, right? That person name is Kiran. Okay, that is going to conduct. This person is going to conduct the L1. The last discussion L2. I'll conduct the LT.
Hello? Hello?
Okay. And when it will be done? After the course completion,
Not
Krishna,
after
or
the
when?
course. Whenever you are ready. Okay. Once your 50% portion of the course is completed, you want to take up a mock-up interview, we are ready. Because
Okay.
I suggest the students to not to wait till end of the batch. Okay. Once 70% of the portion is completed, you should start applying for the jobs. Nothing but you have to do interview preparation, resume preparation, and start applying for the jobs, because these things has to be done not sequentially. It has to be done parallelly. If you do sequentially, it will take 1 year time. After completion of the course, interview preparation, after interview preparation, resume preparation, later selling your resume in the market. If you do sequentially, it will take 1 year time. You have to do it parallelly. To do it parallelly, once the 60-70% of the portion is completed, you have to start preparing developing your resume, and you have to start preparing for yourself for the interview. Okay.
Okay. And the next question is doubt sessions, right? So once 8 to 9 is our regular time. So what is the doubt clearance timing?
That I have not decided as of now. I have to see the enrollments for this batch, and based on their enrollments time, I'll think about it. Okay. I have not decided that yet. Yeah.
And books, you asked that we can take print, right? So is it okay? We can get a courier and we can pay if anything for the courier is required.
Hello?
As of now, that is not available, sir. Okay. So
Okay.
I'll share you the soft copy. You can take a printout of that.
Sure. Okay. Thanks, Krishna. That's all.
Sir, good. Hello?
Yeah, Prasanna.
Yes. Sir, I'm an CSC computer graduate, CSC graduate, passed out 2019. Which one would be suggestible for me, like supply chain or HCM?
2000. You passed out 2019, right? And after that, what you have done?
Sir, I got married. I'm a housewife.
Okay, understood. You can learn supply chain then.
Okay, sir, thank you.
I'm also from the computer science background only. I did my BSc. After that, I did MCA.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, go
Hello.
ahead.
Yeah, how are you?
Good, sir.
Yeah.
How are you?
Yeah, doing good, thank you. Would like to know, like, are the batch timings fixed, or do we have other batch timings also, like batches in the evening?
No, sir. I'm real-time working professional. In the evening, I work for US projects. Okay, that's why I only take the classes in the morning.
Alrighty, thank you.
In case if you're not able to attend this live class, you can go with the self-paced videos. Okay, we have an option. You can buy the videos and you can learn it on your own. It's called self-paced training. Okay. Yeah.
Hello, sir. This is Anusha.
Hello, Anusha.
Yes, sir. I have worked in MNC company, but I have knowledge on not related to this Oracle Fusion. I can go with this course or.
No prerequisites, madam. For learning this course, there are no prerequisites.
Okay.
There are no
But I'm totally
prerequisites.
different from this technology.
Not required. I'll teach from the basic. Because
Yeah,
if you
sure.
observe today in my session, the examples that I gave, okay, those are all normal examples only. Correct?
Yeah, moral examples only. Yeah, I hear that.
Yeah. In a layman language, in a basic level, I'll teach. From simple to complex. Slowly from basic to advanced level, I'll teach.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, sir.
And one another question, Mr. Krishna.
Yes, sir.
Right. Yeah. So for the self-based training course, right? So will we be having the access to the instance, or like is it just only recorded sessions?
No. Both you'll get. Only difference is you're not attending the live classes. Everything's same. Instance, materials, and access to learning portal, mobile app, all same. The difference between live training and self-paced is live training, you're not attending live classes. You're just catching the recordings. That's it. Only that is the difference. There is nothing else.
And doubt clarification would also be there, right? Like
you can attend that Q&A sessions are there, right? You can attend that Q&A sessions. You can be part of the WhatsApp group.
Sure. Thank you.
So Krishna, in the case of a recording session, earlier you said every day you are giving some assignment and you are checking that one. In the case of recording session, how you are managing that?
For self-paced, you'll not have interaction with me. Okay. For
So you are not
self-paced
giving
video
any
training.
lab testing, nothing is you are providing. That
Correct. Yes, because if you're connecting live, I can give you a task. I can assess that task. I can review. Okay. If you're not connecting to the live classes, how can I coordinate with you?
Okay.
Yeah.
But the task you are providing.
Task, I can't able to provide task also, because
Okay.
if I provide task also, I need to review, right?
True.
Yeah, so it will not work out. Yeah.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
This is Rukhsar from Maharashtra. Actually, I have a huge career gap. So
Okay.
basically, it is I'm going to start or enter in the IT industry. So what would you suggest for me, sir? Actually, I have no IT experience.
So since you are saying you don't have any IT experience, you have to go with the non-coding technology. Okay, because you cannot able to write coding.
Yes,
So
yes.
this is one of the technology which is not having code.
Okay, will it be
Zero code.
beneficial for me for future?
That's
SCM.
what we discussed till now. Okay.
Yes, I
So
heard that.
this technology is having a lot of demand in the market, sustainability, progress in the market.
No, sir. As I have a huge career gap, so will I get the job opportunity in that?
It's totally got you, madam. I got your nervousness. It's totally depend upon your commitment, madam. Okay. If you are committed and if you are learning this subject and if you are practicing real level, you can cover up that career gap with this technology.
No, sir. Are you going to provide the call opportunities? I'm saying in that way.
You mean placement opportunities?
Yes.
Yes, of course, we do. We do, we follow this process, madam. As I said, we follow this process.
Yes, I
Yeah.
saw that, but
Yes.
as I have a huge career gap, that's why I'm asking the in so deep.
So huge career gap means how much?
12 years. I'm 2013 batch pass out.
Okay.
2013 batch.
Then you should have put at least 5+ or 6+ in this domain.
Okay.
And you should get that much knowledge. If you have to get that much knowledge means you have to put a lot of hard work in this course.
Exactly, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Yellow. Yes.
Hi, Krish. Malcolm here.
Yeah, Malcolm.
Krish, the payment thing I've already paid initial of this month. Am I applicable for the offers, what you said?
I'm not sure about your discussion with my team. Okay, kindly contact my team on this.
Okay, Krish. And another question. The thing is, AI, artificial intelligence, will this come into the supply chain management?
It's already in the supply chain management. Okay, I'm covering the AI features also, whatever is available as part of this training.
Okay. Another question. I have experience into BPO sector. I'm not into the IT sector field. My studies and all, I did BCom, and I moved into the BPO sector. I'm no knowledge into this. But will I still prefer this, or
You're having very good communication. Okay, so that is enough. Okay, learn the subject, then you can apply for the jobs based on your knowledge levels. Okay, so you have already made your mind. Okay, so don't again think twice on it. So since you are saying you already paid, just go for it. Okay.
Okay,
And do
Krish.
your hard work and best efforts. That's it.
Sure. Okay. The class starts from Monday.
Monday, right? Yes, Monday.
Okay, Krish. Thank you.
Hello, good morning, Gaurav this side.
Yeah, Gaurav.
Are you taking some basic backend related to the processes like P2P or O2C?
Backend. You mean tables?
Yes.
I'm going to cover.
Okay, tables.
Whatever the tables that is hitting and whatever the accounts also that it is hitting accounts also that also I'll cover.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, Kulkarni. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Krishna.
Yeah, Bala.
Hello, sir.
Krishna, 1 second. So you will give the access to the Redwood UI also for practice?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
I'm teaching wherever Redwood is there. I'll teach on Redwood and I'll give you the Redwood application also for your practice.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Sir?
Krishna,
Yeah, Suresh. Tell me.
hey, hi, yeah. So how deep you go in different setups, right? So for example, just standard items, or you get into ATOs, PTOs, hybrids, configuration items, etc. Or
ATO and PTO I'm not covering, sir, because the reason is, to cover ATO and PTO, I have to cover manufacturing part of it because I need to configure the BOM, right? Okay.
right.
So if I have to cover BOM means, I have to cover some of the manufacturing configurations. It's going to be actually too much. Whatever the content that I'm covering itself is huge and vast and, too much. That's why I'm not touching on the manufacturing side. So you can
Okay.
you can download the course syllabus. Okay. So there
Yeah,
is
yeah,
a,
but
there is,
it's a high level, right? We don't get like what exactly it is. So in terms of pricing also, like, is it a standard pricing, or you talk about some
the
of the
pricing I go in depth.
customizations?
In pricing, I go in depth. Suppose let's take pricing. So pricing has got different scenarios. Okay, price can be same to all customers. Okay, price can be different based on the customer potentiality also, and you can derive the price based on the order type or based on the business unit or based on the location. You can derive the price. Okay, discounts part,
Okay.
everything I'll cover under the pricing.
Okay, so pricing you go. But if we want like ATO, PTO, right? I know you don't cover, but is there any support? Like if you want to learn, is there anything you can
That's
support
under
us?
manufacturing, sir. That's under manufacturing.
Okay, it's completely manufacturing. Okay,
Yes, sir.
understood.
Yes.
Thank you.
Because this course itself, it will take more than 3 months. It will take 3.5 months also maximum, because that
Right.
much depth I'm covering. Okay.
No,
So
I understand. That's why I know it's so vast, right? You talk about.
exactly. Yeah. Thanks for your understanding. It's really vast. This
Yeah,
course
it's
is,
vast.
and
Yeah.
especially order management itself, it will take order management and procurement. Those two models itself, it will take minimum 25-hour session. That means 2 months.
Yes.
Order
Right.
management and procurement, because if you see the cycles that I'm covering, okay, all the cycles that I'm covering here.
Okay. So you talk about receiving and all the aspect, right? So let us say procurement, right? Procure to pay, cover it like creating purchase requisition up to closure, right? Either whatever the life cycle it is, right? Procurement.
Yes, correct.
Okay. Correct.
So you are covering integration also. Suppose for the order management, I am using third-party application that I need to interact with Oracle. That integration part you are covering, right, sir?
Can you say again?
What I'm saying, for this order management, I am taking third-party different application for my convenience. The data I am going to interact with my SCM.
Okay.
Okay. That
So
integration part you are
I will
covering.
explain you the process, sir. But it's not possible to end-to-end execute and show you, because that comes under, it has to be done with the coordination with the technical consultants in real-time projects. But I'll explain you the process, how it works and how it connects.
Okay, but in that case, consultant don't have any major role. Integration.
During the integration, of course, we have, right? Because we are the ones who gather the requirement from the client, and then we provide the approach on integrating it, and we do the validations also. We make technical consultants to understand the process and any help that they require, and then later we'll do the testing by taking the data, and once the data is order is created in Oracle, we do the testing. We have a lot of work there also.
Okay, sounds good.
Hi, Krishna. This is Ramani.
Hello, madam.
Yeah, hi. Quick question. So I need finance training also. I just spoke with your team. Do you suggest I can start parallel, because I'm working on Oracle Cloud HCM architect right now, but I'll be moving into the same company, but I'm moving into the SCM, and I have to take care of support of SCM and the finance both. So is it okay to take both at the simultaneously, and or just finish this one and go to that?
Because immediately we are starting supply chain management, right? Financials, it will take another 1 month, because we start already batch. It will take another 1 month. By the time I think you can start with supply chain, I believe.
Okay, so I can register both, but once your but I need to make sure that new class is starting at 7 o'clock, right? Like because this class is at 8 o'clock.
As of now, we have not, decided about the timings because we are waiting for the slot from the faculty.
Yeah, that's what they told me. Okay, but I like I said, I need to learn the finance also quickly, so I'm just thinking about
But
it. Okay.
don't learn everything at the same time. Okay. So
Okay.
because you have to practice also, right? Attending both and then practicing, I think it will be difficult to manage. So just
Okay.
go one after another. That's my recommendation.
Okay. Thank you, Krishna. Bye.
Yeah, Krishna, Naresh here.
I want to give I want to give really a good review because I already took HCM from you guys like 4 years back, and within 6 months I got into the job. I'm doing really well, so I want to just give a good review to all the ones who are planning to take the course. They're really good, and I really suggest everyone.
Thanks so much, Ramani, and happy to hear that you cracked job within 6 months.
Yeah, and your videos, everything really helped me like learn fast, and yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, all the best and great going.
Thank you.
Krishna?
Are you covering the inventory part, or it will come automatically with respect to the cycles?
The inventory part I'm covering. Inventory transactions, controls, counting, replenishment techniques, and material statuses.
And whatever the sessions which will be practice, so do we have any access to the SQL developer?
Yes, sir. You get access. I'll also show you how you can connect to the database. Okay.
Okay. Yes. Thank you.
And how to generate a small report also I'll cover.
Okay. Thank you, Krishna.
Krishna, as you said, we can show the experience of 4 to 6 years. So currently in market, how much packages they are offering for 4 to 6 years?
Madam. Number of years into 3 lakhs minimum, madam. 4 years means 4 into 3, 12. 5 years means 5 into 3, 15. Like that. 6 years means 16 to 3, 18. Number of years into 3 lakhs minimum.
Okay, sure.
Hello, Krishna.
Yes, Naresh.
Yeah, I want to talk with you offline. How can I reach out to you? Not here. I have some doubts.
Yeah, you can reach out to my team. Okay, they will help you to connect with you.
Yeah, this number 3232 Padma will.
Yeah. Later after 1 hour.
Yeah, somewhere around 11 o'clock. Can I call to this number?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay then. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, Krishna. Okay. Thank you.
Krishna, one more question. So are this course like VB editor will be Visual Basic Editor is also covered a little bit?
No, madam.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you all. See you on Monday.
Yeah.
Same time.
Thank you, Krishna.
Same meeting ID.
Thank you,
Krishna. See.
Thanks all of you and all the best. Thank you so much for your time too. Thank you.
Thanks, Krishna.
Thank you.
Thanks, sir.
Bye.